Today we're gonna make fried rice yakimeshi. So the ingredient today we're gonna use pork and egg and green onion and garlic and of course rice. Let's start it. Start by grating garlic. Next, finely chop the pork. Finely chop the green onions. Whisk the eggs in a bowl. Heat a pan over low heat. Add the grated garlic to the pan and add vegetable oil and sesame oil. The sesame oil adds a nice flavor. And cook until you can smell the garlic fragrance. Once the oil heats up, add the green onions and stir fry until fragrant. Then, raise the heat to medium. Add the eggs and pork. Stir fry everything together. Add salt and pepper to taste. Now, add freshly cooked rice to the pan. Sprinkle in some Chinese seasoned powder and mix everything well. Transfer to the rice bowl and plate it in a beautiful round shape. Finally, top with some pickled ginger and it's ready to serve.
Fried rice is done!
We're gonna make simmered eggplant, nasu no nibitashi. We're gonna use Japanese style eggplant. This is a little shorter than the American one. Cut off the stem of the eggplant. Slice the eggplant in half lengthwise. Make diagonal cuts into the flesh. For the sauce, mix soy sauce, mirin, sugar, and grated ginger. Heat oil in a pan. Once the oil starts to smoke slightly, add the eggplant. Skin side down. Once the skin gets a nice sear, flip the eggplant over. Pour in the sauce and cook a low heat, allowing it to simmer without burning. Flip the eggplant to ensure both sides are well cooked. Next, prepare the garnish. Peel the daikon radish and grated. Finely chop the green onion. Plate everything. Drizzle with sauce. Add grated daikon and ginger. Sprinkle with green onions. And the dish is complete. ナスの煮浸し. Next, we're gonna make side salad. Cucumber, tomato, and oba leaves. Very aromatic, nice smell leaf. Let's do it. Cut the cucumber into irregular pieces. Cut the tomato into bite-sized pieces. Wash the oba leaves and pat them dry. Cut them in half and roll them up to easily slice them into thin strips. For the dressing, mix olive oil, mentsuyu, Japanese noodle soup base, lime, and sugar. Toss the chopped vegetable with the dressing. Plate and serve this refreshing salad. Salad is done! Itadakimasu! It's really good. めっちゃ美味しい。Mm.